There's supposed to be a test happening pretty soon here. Any second now. Okay, any minute now. They said 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10:02. What's going on here? Are they not testing? They said they were going to test it. Seriously hoping it'll at least growl or something, because it should have gone off by now. Maybe it's just late. Give it a few more minutes. Bird on it. Bird on our siren. Something is definitely wrong here, because this should have been getting tested. They said there was going to be a test today. I've been standing here for more than 5 minutes and haven't heard anything. Still nothing.
I don't know if you saw, but the pickup truck that drove by had a logo on the side that said something about test. So maybe the pickup truck is the guy who actually performs it. He's just not there yet.
Huh. Interesting. Well, I'll keep waiting.
10 o'clock, but something else said 10 until noon. So I don't know if the sirens went off right at 10 or just other parts of the test. Like, are they testing equipment in the facility, but they don't actually blare the sirens yet?
But they said they'd be blaring the sirens around 10, so...
Okay, well, it is around 10.
I don't know.
I stop the video, when I hear the
Well, I'm still...
start, I'll press it again.
Alright, mine's still going in case it goes off.
Well, I hear you, but my memory will be all the way full if I do that. Like, it won't
Shoot, I think we might have a fail here.
So I have to be ready to press.
No, we might have a fail here. Because there should be someone running there 24/7 who will hit a compilert button. There should be a ASC compilert.
You also have to listen to those voices.
What voices?
You said that the other sirens have the speakers.
Oh yeah, they have ATIs at the plant.
Yeah,
yes.
Maybe we'll hear one of them from here.
Yeah, because we're pretty close to the plant. The plant is like maybe a mile that way. So yeah, we're very close to the plant. But I didn't hear any talking sirens. I didn't hear any of those ATIs, so I don't even know where the ATIs are, so that's why we came here. But this is not doing anything, so you might just have a fail.
We would hear another one from here in the system, right?
Most likely.
Like if this one didn't go off, we would have heard a different one.
Yes.
The only way we wouldn't is if this one, because we're so close, would drown it out, right?
Yeah, that's most likely the case. Because I remember back when I was younger and I watched the TMI siren test, I could hear other ones winding up before the one I was at wound up. So this might just be a failed test. They might, or they could have canceled the test. They could have canceled it, we never know. There's a chance they could have canceled the test on us. Because it is pretty overcast out. They might do something like, oh, it's overcast, so we cancel the test. Which, if that's the case, I call bull. Because we drove an hour to come here and hear this. And if it doesn't go off, I'm going to be pretty upset. Alright, so this video is starting to get too long, so I'm going to have to turn it off. I think we have a fail. Peace out.